power plant oil cooler unit. You see, this is the unit cooler. This is cooler unit and this is oil cooler chamber. You see, here is also filter. That's 2 numbers filter. Now we will see the process how the lube oil is cooling. Here you see this cooler unit. Here is two line, and this is water inlet line. This green color. Here is the inlet line. This one, and enter into this cooler. Then this water passes through this side of this cooler to this side of this cooler to the inside cooler tube, and then the cooling water comes this way here, you see here, and then passes to this line. Here the entering temperature is likely 30 degrees centigrade, and it passes through the cooler, and the cooler absorbs the water, some temperature, cooling water, and here is, you see, the temperature is increased. Here is likely 34 degrees centigrade. So the cooling oil temperature is somewhat reduced to this cooler. Here also you can see when this pump, here you see this pump is running. Here now this pump is running. When this pump runs, then oil passes through this line. Here this line. This line, see, here through oil come to this line. You see, here is two line, and also here is two cooler. One is running and one is now bypassed, and then oil comes to this line here too. You see, here is two cooler. Here is one cooler, and also here is two valves. You see, here is the valve arrangement. Then oil passes by this valve through this cooler and also through this cooler. And now this valve is closed and this valve is open upper side. So when lube oil comes through this way and its still side, oil passes and then out from this line. As you see, the oil temperature is likely here 32 degrees centigrade, and then this oil passes through this line, and then it comes to, here is a valve. It is sense when one filter is active condition and another is bypass condition. When we need to change the filter inside, then we change this lever and then change also its inside filter unit, and through this filter oil passes this line. Here is two line, and here to our process line. This is the cooling system of the lube oil cooler. Now we will open this cooler, and at first we will open this side. Here you can see, after opening, here is some tube, and after cleaning we will again install its cover. After opening, you see the cooler unit. Here is some dust particle. You see, there is some dust. we need to clean this. We open the tube side to clean, and here is the cover. This is to be cleaned by jet cleaning machine or rod cleaning. After cleaning, we will then again install its cover. And here is the oil as well as the water flow is reverse direction. That means cooling water passes in one direction and oil passes in another direction, and so for interaction temperature somewhat reduces of used oil. So this is lube oil cooler used for industrial turbine purposes. This is cooler gasket, as like rubber gasket. It protects the cooler from water passes from inner tube to outside. Here is two part, one is upper part and another is lower part. Through the one part, cooling water enter and then goes to another part after incoming. Here is the outlet point of the cooling water. This side is likely cleaned. This is inside of the cooler tube. When we will enter the water, then water comes through this way to drain line. We have opened this line to drain the cooling water for cleaning the cooler tube. You see, here is the water passes and the water is likely clear. After cleaning, we have passes through high pressure water through one side, and this is drain line. We have checked the cleaning water is coming or not, and here we observe that the water is likely cleaned, and this is after cleaning the water is checked. Here is a valve. We open this valve and likely clear. We passes through water in one part and it passes to another part. After cleaning, we have closed the drain line as well as its cover and closed the valve. Now the cooler is ready to use, and we followed the gasket inside is okay, and bolts are tightened, nut bolts, and here is the filter. Also we sense the filter and everything is likely okay. Now we will use this cooler to reduce the global temperature. Thanks for watching this video.